morning to all. This is the first session of articles. So, what are the articles? Articles are the determiners A and D. The determiners A and D are called articles. What are the determiners or adjectives? Adjectives A and D are called articles. The determiners A and D are called articles. Determiners means these are the words which are used in front of nouns to refer or to show what it refers to or what noun refers to. What noun refers to. Is it clear? Determiners are words which are used in front of nouns to show or to talk what noun refers to or what it refers to. Okay, here articles, what is that? A and D are called articles. These are also adjectives, and these three articles divide into two types. These two articles divide into how many types? Two types. One is definite article, second one is an indefinite article. Definite article and indefinite article. Definite article only one, that is the in. Its meaning in Telugu it is a particularized one. Indefinite articles, remaining two are indefinite articles. What are they? A and D. A means in Telugu oka, and also what is that in Telugu oka? It shows only one. Here the show only one, or what is that particularized one, or it shows plurals also. So what is the definite article? Definite article is used to point out particular person or particular thing. An article which is used to point out particular person or particular thing is called definite article. Talk about particular person or particular thing. Is called what is that? Definite article. Its name, there is a definition. Its name, there is a name. Definite means particularized one. So here one example is that she ate dash apple which was kept for her brother. Is it clear? Actually, before apple we have to write yan because it starts with a vowel. But here we talk about the particular apple which is kept for what is that? Her brother. That apple is kept for what is that? Her brother. But she ate it. So that it is particularized. What is particularized one? Apple is particularized one, so that we have to write the here. Is it clear? She ate dash apple. If there is no this sentence, we can write an apple. We can write what is that? She ate an apple. When the apple is particularized one, okay, so we can write what is that? She ate the apple. Next one, I have seen dash elephant which was wounded yesterday. Here also it is a particularized one. Okay, we are talking about elephant. Talking about an elephant which was wounded yesterday. So that this elephant also particularized one, so that we have to use the. What is the? There is no this sentence, this part. We can write what is that? I have seen an elephant, because it is imparticular one. It is not particularized one. When it is particularized one, like which was wounded or which was bought or which was which was coming to our compound yesterday. What is that? In that case, we have to use article B, because Definite article are used to point out particular persons. Particular persons. Definite articles can be used for plurals and singulars. Can be used for what is that? Plurals and singulars. I have the pens. Pens are plural, so the pens. The word pens is plural, so that you can use the not a. Is it clear? So it can be definite article the can be used for plurals and singulars. Plurals and singulars. The next type is indefinite article. It is opposite of definite article. Indefinite articles are two, a and an. Both means what is it? Only one, that is in Telugu oka. So articles which are used to point out indefinite or imparticular person or thing are called what is that? Indefinite articles. Indefinite articles. Indefinite articles means articles which are used to point out what is that? Indefinite, not particular, not definite, or in particular person or thing are called indefinite articles. Indefinite articles. This is the opposite of definite article. That is a particularized one. Here imparticularized one. So here come here. He will buy a pen. Here pen means in general any pen. Okay, it is not particularized one. So that you can use what is that? A. We can use a. Whether we can use a or an, it depends on the first letter. First letter and its pronunciation. First letter and its pronunciation. He will buy a pen. It is a consonant and consonant sound, so that a. It is not particularized one. Next one, she has an ink bottle. An ink bottle. The first letter of ink bottle is I. It is a vowel and sound also E, so that the yan. Is it clear? It is also in particular one. I want a chair. I want a chair. A chair means any chair. It is not particular one. Next, they saw an elephant. Here the difference between the here and here is what is that? They saw. I have seen the elephant. What is the elephant which was wounded yesterday? But here they saw an elephant. One elephant. It is not particularized one. I think it is a clear. Is it clear? Next one, indefinite articles can be used for only countable singular nouns. A can be used before countable singular nouns. Yan can be used before what is that? Countable singular nouns. What are the countable singular nouns? So pen is countable singular noun. You can count a pen. What is that? Pen. 2 pens or 3 pens or 10 pens or 20 pens. Ink bottles, we can count it. And chair, we can count it. Elephants, we can count it. So the indefinite article can be used before countable singular nouns, not plural nouns. Countable singular nouns only. Is it clear? So this is the types of articles. In the next session, we will discuss about the rules of indefinite. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next session.